Welcome back to another episode of Koolaid Outdoors, everybody. I'm Josh, aka Koolaid. That is the worst hike I've had going fishing ever in my life. Holy crap, that hill sucked. And I am sick, of course. Just getting over pneumonia. So yeah, that hike, I'm fat and out of shape to begin with. That doesn't help. And then you add the pneumonia on top of it. Whew. I didn't think I was ever going to find the lake, though. I found it. Here it is. Let me show you. Finally found it. All right. I'm going to fish this part of the lake because there's another reservoir over there so I'm going to fish around this side of the lake a little bit and then head over there. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully we can catch something today. Yeah, like and subscribe. Let's get fishing. Hi folks, well, we made it up to this other reservoir and I just took something and I am a long ways away and he seems pretty big, whatever he is. Whoa. Holy cow. I don't know what this is, but it's fighting pretty dang hard. Hope it's a bass. I haven't even seen it yet. Oh, there it is. It's a pretty good size, whatever it is. At least it looks like it. It's pretty good size. Oh yeah. It is a bass. Can't tell, he kind of looks foul hooked, but not sure. No, got him in the mouth, it looks like. Heck yeah. He must have went for it, but I got him in the side of the mouth. That's a nice little bass. Heck yeah. Let's hurry up and get a weight on this guy. Oh, and then I threw my pole in the water. Genius. Alright, he is £3 pound. Heck yeah. One more look, nice little 3 pound bass. Heck yeah, let's get this guy back. There he goes. Back to the depths. Get bigger, buddy. Heck yeah, we did it. Finally, haven't caught a bass in so long, ever since I was working over in Greeley. And on top of it, I threw my reel in there. Got so excited. So excited! But anywho, heck yeah, I finally did it. Caught him, well, and myself, on this little guy. I think it's a Guggen Squad mini banger, maybe. That red color, and I'm glad I decided to do the red because, man, that bass's lips were red. Holy cow, they're red. So, let's keep fishing, see if we can do something. Well, folks, wow, it's bright out here. I have walked a long ways today. I walked back to the first reservoir and there was people working on it and dropping something but weed control. So I came back up to the place. I caught the 3-pounder. I walked partially around that side. Came back, walked all the way over here to the dam. That guy's pooped. So I'm gonna sit here for a minute, have a snack, do a little more fishing, get hydrated, and yeah, do a little more fishing and work my way across the dam, and then guess we'll move on to the next place or call it a day. Not sure. Probably go see if we can find another place. Can't leave a video with one catch in it. Could. Trying not to. But get a little snack here. While I'm sitting here having a snack, I'm not sponsored by anything in this video. Just make sure everybody knows that. I'm gonna get back to my snack now. Alrighty, folks. Well, I have fished both these reservoirs, and I have been back and forth. I walked all the way, started at this one, went to the other one, fished this rim of it to the dam, came all the way over here to this dam, and I've only caught that one 3-pounder you seen. So looks like it's time to call bass fishing for the day, and I'm probably gonna head up there to that mountain up there, see if we can find some open water up there, and up there where there's still snow. So yeah, stick around and hopefully we can catch something else. Well, folks, looks like it's gonna be a short video. I'm at the lowest lake up here on the mesa. And she froze still. Can you see it out there? And that is a lot of snow here still piled up. So yeah, at least we caught one today. Like I said, it was 3 pounds. We're excited about that. At least we caught one. It's a little early for bass fishing up here. It's a little cold. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you're still here at the end of the video, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. I'm out. Well, I finally looked it up. I walked 6.1 miles today for one fish. That's a lot of walking for one fish, but it was still cool. That's probably, yeah, I'd have to say this, not my biggest bass, my second biggest bass I've ever caught though. So I guess if you look at it that way, it's not that bad.